Welcome to another video with I Teach Maths. Today we will be doing two questions from Maths Higher paper, and these questions are from 2022 Edexcel. Calculate value of y. Give your answer to three significant figures. We are told that diameter is 7 centimeter, so radius will be 3.5 centimeter, and y minus 3.5 will be height for cone, and 3.5 centimeter is radius for both of them. Formula for volume of sphere, but we are given hemisphere, so we will divide it by 2, so we get volume is 4/3 divided by 2 pi r cubed, so 4/3 times 1/2 pi r cubed, so 4/6 pi r cubed, which is same as 2/3 pi r cubed, and that's the formula for volume of hemisphere. So now we have 2/3 pi r cubed plus 1/3 pi r square h, and that's equal to 120 pi, because that's the total volume, right? When we add them we get total volume, and total volume is given here, which is 120 pi. Now let's plug all the values here. So we get 2/3 pi, radius is 3.5 and cubed, plus 1/3 pi 3.5 square, and height for cone is y minus 3.5 equals 120 pi. And you can see there is pi in all the expressions, so we can just cancel all of them. And let's plug this value in calculator one by one. So first we have 2/3 times 3.5 cubed, so we get 3/12 plus 1/3 times 3.5 square, so 49/12 times y minus 3.5 equals 120. So we expand the brackets. We have 3/12 plus 49/12 y minus 49/12 times 3.5, so we get minus 3/24 equals 120. So next step, add 3/12 minus 3/24, so 49, so we get 49/12 y plus 3/24 equals 120. We subtract from both sides, so we get 120 minus 3/24, we get 2537/24. Next step, divide both sides by 49/12, so we get y equal 2537/24 divided by 49/12, and you can just put everything in calculator and you will get 25.887 and ... So we get, so they have asked give your answer to three significant figure, so we round it to 3SF. We get 25.9 centimeter y, so that's the answer. Let's move on to question 18, and it worth 4 marks. So we are told that PQR and QRS are triangles. Calculate the length of QS. So first label QS as x, so we want to find that length. Give your answer to correct to 3SF, and you must show all the workings. Okay, so you can see, if we know this length, let's call it y. So if we know this length, we can use a sine rule and find x, right? But we don't know what's y, so let's find out what's y first, and then we can work out what's x, right? So to calculate y, we will use cosine rule. So let's label it first. So we will call it a that's y. Let's call it b, and here we have c. So the rule is a square equal b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. So a is y in this case, so we get y square equal b is 11 square plus 9.4 square minus 211, c is 9.4 cos, and a is 27. So you can put everything in calculator. So we get 11 square plus 9.4 square minus 2 11 9.4 times cos 27. So we get 25.099 dot dot dot, and now we take square root both side. So we get y equals square root 25.099. so y is 5.0099, right? And don't round this number because we will round it at the end. So you can save this as a in calculator. So since we have two angles and one length, we can use a sine rule for length. Okay, so this is corresponding length for 80 degree and this is corresponding length for 41 degree. So let's use the formula. So we have x over sine 88 equals 5.009 over sine 41. So we want to find x, so we times both sides by sine 88. So we get x equal 5.009 times sine 88 over sine 41. So let's plug this in calculator. So we get x equal 7.631, and we want to give our answer to 13SF. So we get x equal 7.63 centimeter.